Hello all and welcome to this installation guide of the Olixar glass screen protector for the iPhone 12 mini. Once the screen protector has been applied, I will give an honest review on whether I think this product is worthy enough to protect the precious Super Retina display of the iPhone 12 mini. Before starting, I would always recommend turning off your phone, just so the screen doesn't keep activating during the installation process. Within the box you will receive the glass screen protector and a cleaning pack, which consists of a wet wipe, a microfiber cloth, a dust removal sticker, guide stickers, and of course the glass protector itself. These are all of the tools that will be needed to complete the process. The first step of the installation process is to clean your screen. To do so, take the wet wipe and remove any dirt or grease from off the display of your handset. Then use the microfiber cloth to remove any excess liquid that may be left from the wet wipe. Now, using the dust removal sticker, repeatedly dab the screen. This is highly important as you do not want any dust being visible between the glass and the display post-application. Once you are happy with the appearance of your screen, you can then move on to the second stage of the installation. Place a guide sticker at either end of the protector. Take the glass protector and peel back the tab labelled 1. When doing this, hold the protector sticky side down, as it will reduce the chance of attracting dust. Next, lower the glass carefully onto the display. Our third and final step is to gently tap the centre of the display, allowing for the glue to seamlessly disperse from the centre outwards. Smoothly run the microfiber cloth against the screen to secure its attachment. Your phone screen is now protected by Olixar's glass screen protector. It provides an almost invisible fit, allowing the glass to go unnoticed when attached. The glass provides edge-to-edge coverage, yet this does not affect its ability to attach a case to your handset, to offer all-round protection. Therefore, you can flaunt some of the best cases that have been created for this device. The glass doesn't support a black border, so there'll be no fear of a black border intruding onto the display of your handset, allowing for you to see the entirety of your display. Touch response is not affected by the instalment of the glass, meaning for me to check up on my social media and the latest news with ease. In terms of security, you'll still be able to access your phone through face recognition, as the notch is carefully cut out from the glass, allowing you to still unlock your phone in the easiest way since Apple removed the fingerprint access. Overall, this screen protector has an extremely easy application method that only takes a number of minutes to complete. The finished result provides robust protection to the display of your phone and doesn't hinder the way in which you function your smartphone. If you are interested in purchasing the Olixar glass screen protector, I have posted the link as to where you can find it in the description and comments below. For more content to keep you up to date with the latest tech and mobile accessories, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.